Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start evaluating credit card statements with Citi detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your recent Citi credit card statements. Ensure you have access to the Citi online banking portal or the mobile app. Log into your Citi account using your username and password. Navigate to the Accounts section to view your credit card details. Select the credit card account you wish to evaluate. Locate the Statements tab within your account overview. Choose the statement period you want to review. Download or open the statement in PDF format for detailed examination. Review the summary of your statement, which includes your total balance and minimum payment due. Take note of the payment due date to avoid late fees. Carefully examine each transaction listed on your statement. Verify that each charge is accurate and corresponds to your receipts or records. Look for unauthorized transactions and report any discrepancies immediately. Check the interest charges and fees section to understand any additional costs. Evaluate your spending categories to identify where your money is going. Consider comparing your current statement to previous ones for spending patterns. Make a budget plan based on your evaluation to better manage future spending. Use the information gathered in your assessment to make informed financial decisions. Remember to save your statements for future reference and tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.